Okay, good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
I hope you find you all good.
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Alright. So, we're going to play a mini game. I need you to pay attention to what I do. I repeat it one more time. I need you to pay attention. I need you to pay attention to what we're going to do. Okay. Sorry. Hi everyone. So my first question is, what was the first thing I did?
Sit down.
Okay, someone says clap.
Sit
Anyone has different answers?
Sit.
I say, what was the first thing I did? What?
Hello.
Hello, saying hello. Okay, this one. Right it. Roll. Okay. Anyone else? Aside from clap and roll, what else? Sit down. So the first thing I've done was sit down. Okay. Sit. Smile. Okay. Drop. Drop. Okay. Okay. Sorry, it is. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. 4, drop. And sit. So the only correct answer is Lukman. I dropped a pen deliberately. So what is the second thing that I did
Hello.
after I dropping the pen? Yeah, I clap. Okay. After that,
Sit.
okay, I sit down. I sit down or I smile.
Smile.
Then what was the last thing after? You forgot hi everyone. Right. So these words describe the action that happened in the past. Now what I did is in the past. I did this just now. So what I'm going to teach you today is, what do you think? So I'm going to teach you past simple tense. Now can you see? Can you see the presentation front?
Yes.
Alright. So past simple tense is actually very easy for some people, but it's not for some people. So I need you to pay attention when you are learning about past simple tense and what is past simple tense. Now Lukman, can you help me to fix this? Thank you, Lukman. Okay, so before we start our lesson, let's take a look at the learning objective. So students will be able to use past simple tense correctly when describing past actions and events. So by the end of the lesson, you should be able to use past simple tense correctly when describing past actions and events. Okay, so now let us move on to the slides. Past simple tense. This is where we learn how to talk about past events. So the contents are, you're going to see, or you're going to learn about past simple tense in terms of definition and examples. Definition is what is the meaning of past simple tense. Regular and irregular verbs, the verbs that have to be used in past simple tense. The sentence structures, the formula of past simple tense, how to do it in a sentence. We're also going to learn about the time expressions, the common mistakes and model example, which I'm going to explain to you later. Okay? Now if you think that I'm too fast, you can ask me to repeat it again. Alright? Is that okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now, for definition and example, we use the past simple tense to talk about actions that happened in the past. It tells us when something happened before now. Now, if you're talking about past, always remember, that's why I choose this photo, the primitive man, because it resembles the past. Do you see this one still walking around the earth?
No.
Huh?
No. Yes.
You see?
No.
This guy?
Yes.
Mana? Okay. So we use the past simple tense to talk about actions that happened in the past. It tells us when something happened before now. Anything that is happening before right now, just like what I did. I dropped a pen, I clapped my hand, I smiled. That is before now. It is called the past simple tense. For example, yesterday I played football. Now, regular verbs in past simple. So the rule for regular verbs is pretty easy. If we're talking about regular verbs, you have just to add ed, this one, ed to the base verb. For example, walk becomes walked, clean becomes cleaned, jump becomes jumped. So, if a verb ends in e, then if a verb ends in an e, just add d. For example, love becomes love, like this. Love, love. You do not add love ed like that. This one is ridiculous. Don't do this. Okay? And if a verb ends in a consonant plus y, you know what is consonant? Anything that is not vowel is consonant. That ends with a y, change y to I and add ed. For example, study becomes study. Okay, this is for regular verbs. So now if you remember, if a verb ends in e, just add d, right? But this is not the case for irregular verbs, since the rule of irregular verbs do not follow the ed rule. They change completely. You don't have to plus anything because they change the word completely. For example, go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. And road becomes, ride becomes road. So there is no specific rule for irregular verbs. So they must be memorized. It has nothing to do with a specific formula you have to memorize. That's why I bring you the guidance paper here. So this is for you to look for your reference, and also you can learn at home and memorize these rules. Of course, not all words here, but the common one, right? Now, for the sentence structure, let's take a look at the formula. Subject plus past verb plus object. Now we already learned about subject, what is verb and what is object. So, subject which is green in color, representing the subject, and red is representing the past verb, and object is representing the object. Okay. So for example, she visited her grandmother last week. So what do you think she is?
Subject. Subject.
Okay, subject. What do you think about visited?
Past verb.
Okay, what do you think about object?
Her grandmother.
So object is the one who received the actions, and she or subject is the one who performed the actions. So what does she perform? She visited who? Grandma last week. So if you still don't understand, there are additional examples. They watched a movie last night. I finished my homework yesterday. So for the kid, use time expressions to indicate when the action happened. Now, can you tell me where are the time expressions in the sentence? What? Okay, last night. How about this one? Okay, yesterday. Okay, now, pretty easy, right? Do you have any question? No? So, this is the common time expressions for past simple. You can use yesterday, you can use last night, you can use last week, last year, a few days ago, a long time ago, in 2005, or in January. So for example, I visited my cousin last weekend. She moved to a new house 2 years ago. So, you don't put like, I visited my cousin tomorrow. So that is hectic. How can you visit your cousin already when it is tomorrow? So that is not past tense. So only use the time expression in the past before now. Now this is the common mistakes in sentence structure. You students love to do these mistakes, even though it is easy, but you always do this. For example, she is walked to school. She is walked to school. You love to put the verb to be or the am is are before the past verb. She is walked to school. What do you think should be if we put is? What we have to put is? What we should have changed? Yeah? Alright. So, I'm sorry for the disturbance. So, you like to use she is walked to school. When the correct answer is she walked to school. She is the subject. Walk is the past verb. And this is the object. So if you use this, it's going to be subject, verb to be, or am is are to be easy. So you cannot use this formula because it is the wrong formula. This one, if you put is going to be walking. Just like I taught you about present continuous tense. You have to put am is are before the verb, and the verb will be plus with I am. But this is not present continuous tense. This is a past simple. So you cannot put is. Okay, second one. I eaten my lunch. I tell you, if you use this in my exam, you use I eaten my lunch, going to eat you. Okay? I eaten my lunch. The correct answer is I ate my lunch. Why? Because eat is an irregular verb. It is not a regular verb. Okay? That's why it is important for you to memorize the irregular past tense forms of verbs. Okay, the last one, incorrect. They was happy. They was happy. They was happy, yes. So why it is wrong? Now if you remember, we already learned about singular and plural. Singular subject use is. Plural subject use are. So now this is the same thing because was is the past tense of is. And were is the past tense of are. So do not use they words, we words. You only use word for plural subject. So anyone so far so good?
Yes.
So the model example before activity that we're going to do later. This is my example. This is my question. Okay. Last weekend I went to the beach. I swam in the ocean and ate ice cream. Now if you take a look at the highlight verbs, past verbs. I use went, I use swam, I use ate. So additional example. Yesterday I watched a movie and called my friend. Can you tell me which one is the past simple verbs? Watch. Okay, good job. Now my question is for you all. I have a question. Can you share one sentence about your past weekend? Now, if someone wants to volunteer, or I pick you. That one. Okay, I will pick. Lukman. Okay. Can you say it loud?
Last weekend, I went to school with my friends.
Alright. Is it correct? I went to school. I went or I go to school. Thank you. Okay, the next one will be Joshua, can you? Yeah. Okay, last week. Okay, last week, me and my classmates. Decorated the classroom. Okay, last week, you and your friends decorated your classroom. Okay, is it correct? He used decorated. Is decorate regular or irregular verb? You don't know. So what he used is correct. Decorated. Okay, so good job, thank you. Now, let's get ready for fun activities. So I need you to work in pairs. And now, you're going to do a list of jumbled sentences. These sentences are not arranged. Okay? So you need to create a new sentence with past simple verbs. Okay? Now they are guiding for you. It is for you. People do it. You have to work in pairs. Okay? Okay, one people with one paper. Take it. Just put can answer at the bottom of the bottom of your paper.
Adik.
Situ tempat Gwen. Juga begitu.
Sini kau.
You have no friends, so since you like. Okay, you just do it with okay, you can do it with
Dia tiga. Satu je.
Just take it, just take it. Who doesn't receive this? All have your paper?
Yes.
No?
Yes. Tidak. Kami ingin kongsi.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You got your paper already? Oh, cannot. Only two. Okay.
Are we three?
If you have 4 people, one of you will be not doing anything. So, do anything. Okay. So before you do this, I'm going to give you an example of how you should have done. Okay. For the first sentence, let us take a look at the first sentence. To the park they go on Sunday. Everyone just pay attention. Okay, let us take a look at the first one. I'm going to give you an example. So can you read it for me? Number 1. Okay, to the park they go on Sunday. Is it correct? Is it already arranged? So we arrange first. Okay, now, what comes after the subject? We learn about past verb. Okay, past verb, right. So, in this sentence, they use go. So, what is the past?
Go.
When. They went. Right. They went to the park on
Sunday.
on Sunday. Now you have your guidance paper and it is very easy, right?
Yes.
So you can do it by yourself.
Yes.
Okay, you can discuss among you. Okay? So it should be fine. And anything if you have a question, please ask. So because it is very easy, I'm going to give you 1 minute only. No, just kidding. Okay? Right, 5 minutes. Okay?
30 minutes.
Okay, bye.
Gwen, begini yang kamu buat. Gwen Cirabis.
Yeah. You write it below. Yes. Okay, you
Jangan tulis di atas, tulis di bawah.
Yeah, this one. You can do whatever you want with the paper. Just don't. Okay. You. Okay. Which one you think? Is it at the end of the sentence or? Okay. So you just have to add what? My brother play video games last night. Okay. Okay. You. Is it regular or irregular? Okay. So you have to add. Okay. Yeah.
Yang ketiga untuk tambah lagi nggak? Kalau tidak yang macam kata sudah pertama.
Number 3, you have to put a. No, that one is already okay. You don't have to add anything
Yang
except.
lain kalau yang macam tiga ayat dia boleh tambah.
No, you cannot. This is already correct. If you add anything, it is wrong. Okay.
Tulis
Okay, just now I've already explained. English was just like
Regular itu yang contohkan dari ini. Oh, ini tambah id aja. Tapi kalau irregular, dia harus cuma roll. Oh, tapi itu kan ini kan cuma tambah id. Kalau roll kan, kan ini D goal harus jadi
you only have action. You don't change anything except for the verb. Because the instruction is fill in the blank with the correct form of the verb. Change the blank. Change the into past. Yang menerima
Iya. which one is the past? I mean, there is no past verb here. But which one you okay, take. Now, correct form past tense. Okay? You must pass.
What are you?
Base total.
This
Play.
irregular itu akan dikasih
lagi dapat jalur sambil mau sampai jadi sempas
Kita bisa belajar Inggris kan dari YouTube. Selalu semangat satu kan semangat LBBB ataupun yang anu tuh apa di tempatan yang
Yes.
So I have a question.
tapi yang
I have a question.
itu dari belajar Inggris.
She want to
Kata di
say something.
She wants.
so ini this
Okay, this.
You say English.
aduh kemana bisa Inggris tapi kan ini
You explain itself.
oke segar
What?
Jimmy Dancer
Okay.
we see our teacher in
Ini
Okay.
betul
So what is the past tense of see?
we
ini regular
Irregular.
main
main apa tuh sebentar sir apa saya lupa saya ingat tuh sin tahu nggak
Seen? No.
saw
Saw. Not sound. Yes.
thank you so
kalau saw
Pay attention, students. You have 5 minutes left. Please hurry up with your.
ini lagi lepasnya Rehat nah ini iya kalau Nina
Yes, Joshua.
Nina biar
Yes. By her. Because by is irregular verb.
nah irregular ini ya betul tuh cek tuh ya Kan baru gini kalau kan masih gini kan tapi lagi bisa perlu pakai ini bayang itu dulu
Saya.
Ini lagi nomor 7.
Tiger. Tiger holding a cake. Like this. Tiger.
Oke lah yang tadi.
You see tiger holding a What, Anastasia?
Green bright.
Oh iya, tinggal sekarang.
What is that? Okay.
Ini loh. Right tarik. Bro.
Okay, you have 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. Okay, you have 1 minute.
Oh iya.
Ini correction.
Okay, please pay your attention back. Okay. When I do this, you do it back. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now I need one volunteer from selection group. Okay. So I want some volunteer. I see some volunteer. So please stand up and read it out loud. Which one? Number 1.
They went to the park on Sunday.
Okay, they went to the park on Sunday. Is it correct? So? So, anyone? Before I pick you, please volunteer. Please volunteer before you get volunteer. Okay. Okay, everyone. Okay, number 2. She baked a cake for the party.
Yes. Correct.
Okay. Okay, number 3. Okay, Batista. Good job. Never volunteer.
Ya, saya baca. Tapi kamu tidak membaca. Saya tidak
Hey, no. I want you to be quiet. Batista, can you read it again? Please stand up properly. Okay. My brother
played video games last night.
played PLAY.
Really?
Okay, is it correct? Okay, number 4. You want? Okay, you okay.
Kasih dari bawah. Tapi pada
Hello.
Yes.
When I do this, please respond to me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, read it again. cat jumped on the table. Jump with an ed. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, good job. Next.
So,
Okay.
easy.
Quick.
Did you want to?
Okay. Okay.
We saw our teacher at
Wait. Okay, you saw your teacher. We saw our teacher at the mall. Is it correct?
Yes.
So it is a regular or irregular verb?
Irregular.
Okay, thank you. Next. Sorry, Anastasia. You're late. Okay. What? Huh? Repeat it. New phone. He bought new phone yesterday. Okay, is it correct? Wait. Okay, Anastasia. Sorry, I forgot to write your answer. Okay, number one is correct.
Nah, dia mau ketemu.
He wrote. Bukan yang he wrote.
The boys swam in the river.
The boys swam.
In the river.
Okay. Students, is it correct swam?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, number 8. You.
Mr. Bella, really
You really want to read? Okay, please read it loudly. Ay? Louder. He wrote a letter to his friend. Correct?
Yes. Correct.
Yes, thank you.
Yes.
Keep up.
Sir, dia sir dari tadi dia mau sir. Tembus bola lah. Jika dia mau dia
Don't be angry. Okay, nice. Okay, number 9. Really? So they ate pancakes for breakfast, correct?
Yes.
Okay, wait. This one, last one. No. Please put down. 3.
Belum lagi.
Okay. 3, 2. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I found a wallet.
Saya pikir kan bantu.
Give it to me. So I found a wallet on the street, correct?
Yes.
Okay, good job, everyone. Now, for the next activity, since you are ready, you already know. So, I need you to form a group of 5 students each group. Now, it is not your traditional friend. I'm going to mix you all. Okay, it's okay. Okay,
Yes.
five people right now. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh.
Okay, 5. Okay, the first group, 5. Please raise your hand. Number 1. The group number 1.
Sir, 4 people lah
5
sir.
people.
4 people.
4 people.
Ya. 6, 7. Nampak. 7 lah sir.
10.
Lagi sedangkan begini sama begini saja.
No, some of you will not do anything.
Yes. That is correct.
Okay, 5. My decision is 5. Okay. 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 Right now, please, the first group, please raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. You. Okay. 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 Group number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 to 5 students, okay. 4 to 5 students. 4 to 5. Okay, first group, you still want 5. You want 5.
Tuwing ko angkat dyan, siya
So you want 5 or 4?
Siya sama kami ni Mora.
6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 5, 1, 6.
Okay, 6.
For this group, 6 and 5.
Here.
3, 4. Okay?
Ini 6 only di belakang tuh.
Okay, this group.
Mana satu yang
1, 2, 3, 4. I need 3 more.
Jadi tiga di mana?
Biasa paksa dia.
Okay.
Ada dong.
No, okay.
Oh, jujur. Coba. Kalau ada tuh
Quick. 1 here and 1 here. Okay. Okay, pay attention. Now, group 1, I have 8 stumble cards for you. So you can choose which one you want. From 1 to 8. Maybe some of you have lucky number.
kira tambah coba.
Okay, 7. Complete the story using the writing from below. A few days ago, I found a mysterious box in my backyard. Please come. Okay, your group. Number 4. Your Chinese, your best luck. Number 4. Right. So number 4 is good luck for you. Okay, so number 5. Last Saturday, my best friend Isra and I went a new course, but they said on my birthday, something really funny happened. This year. During the holidays, my family and I visited a strange place.
Si Elvira sama dorang kan?
Okay, this group.
Tidak boleh tukar-tukar. Tidak boleh. Saya yang pilih itu nomor itu. Setiap
8.
seperti itu. Tengok.
Ira dah.
Pick one. Okay. So there are 2 and 4.
Oh, sini tengok. Renang kan? Amalah.
Ada orang di sini kan?
Asal aku kurang.
Okay, everyone. One more time. writing from below. Now, the first students were going to continue the story. And after that, you give your friend, you give your friend, you give your friend, you give your friend until the story is finished. So whoever has the least people in the group has the least answer. The red is white. The more people, the more you have to. Hey, did you want to say?
No. Yes, we know.
Okay, look at me, look at me. One, two, three. Okay, I need you. The first people are going to continue the story, okay? So, after that, your friend will going to continue the story, right? Successfully write your story. You continue until the story is finished. Now you only have
During the holiday, my family and I we went to the place
make sure you I already teach you how to form a sentence, so it should be easy for you to write a story. Use subject, participle verb, object. Okay, for example, okay, I'll give you an example. For starter, card 8. Last Sunday, I saw the most magic thing on my home. When I walked at the park, I saw a tiger. Is it a sentence? Is it still a sentence? And I already taught you this. Subject, password, and object. She visited the grandmother last week. You only do one sentence. After you do one sentence, and your friend do, and
Muka kau terang-terang
all of
lagi.
you write your own answer.
Tera, sehat-sehat aja.
Also, I want an interesting story about your.
Cantik tuh. Hah?
Maybe you want
Iya.
full of
Sini sedikit lagi.
tricks.
Nampak kau punya mau nih.
And now you only have 10 minutes because it is easy. It's just easy.
Nanti kenapa aja? Dalam senter. Sudah dibuat dulu. Siwa tinala dulu.
If you have any questions, just ask me.
Kita punya ada nih, dia punya funny hair, dia punya something funny kan yang pen lah. Tiba-tiba yang dia mau pindah biar yang something funny ini ada kita sama ini lah tidak sepengetahuan kan membuat ayat saya itu bukan memang funny kalau kamu yang jelek
Memang gak ada apa begini.
tiba-tiba yang juga kan back out tapi dia surprise. Nah jadi pas yang something funny itu surprise supaya bersambung itu cerita dan tidak putus. Iya tapi pilihan siapa sebenarnya dia jadi ada bayangan bisa apa-apa dari kepala kamu yang sudah pengetahuan Minsan pwede lang yung laman. Ba't kayo na pwede ako? Yung bawa, ito yung doon. Ito yung doon. Gusto ko lipat na.
Past tense. Do not mix with present tense, okay?
Apa? Pastikan tuh. Iya. Apa tuh mas?
Iya kan tadi nggak ada. Kalau bola sama sih
Maybe jam.
Tunggu jam.
Kenapa jam?
222. Belum lagi nanti. Situ kita
Your group good? Okay, you only have 3 minutes left.
3 minutes lagi. Tolong peminit. Kejadian lain-lain tulisannya ada.
Okay, 2 minutes left. 2 minutes Okay, balik na lang.
Apa kalau rumah sewa?
10 seconds.
Dan a house.
8, 7,
R-E-N-T.
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, which one is the first group one to volunteer? Which group wants to volunteer? Okay, you don't have time left. Okay. Okay, everyone else, please pay attention. Sena. Okay, group 2. Okay.
Last Saturday, my best friend and I tried a new food.
Alright, listen to your friend. Don't stop. Okay.
Last Saturday, my best friend and I tried a new food, but it tastes so awful. It looked good from outside.
Right, right, okay.
It looked good from outside.
It look
Look,
L-O-O-K-E-D.
yeah.
Okay. Okay.
When we taste it,
Okay. But when you taste your food, okay,
it makes our tongue taste.
or make your tongue cringe. Okay.
We don't not finish it, so we get it to our other friends, so we can suffer together from the test. In the end, we got that.
Okay, thank you. What an amazing story this is. My best friend and I tried a new food, but it tasted so awful. It looked good from outside, but when we tasted it, it makes our tongue cringe. We couldn't finish it, so we gave it to our other friends, so we can suffer together from the taste. In the end, we got a stomach ache. Okay, thank you. You can do. Okay, next group. Next group. Okay, official group. No, okay, keep quiet. Okay. Okay, everyone, please pay attention to what is done. Yes.
Last Sunday, I saw the most amazing thing on my way home. I saw a squirrel on the job street. Squirrel is very good.
Okay. Alright guys, listen. Listen to Batista's story. Last Sunday, I saw the most amazing thing on my way home. I saw a squirrel on the chalk tree. The squirrel is very cute and beautiful. The end. Yeah. So, they only use
SSOKE
salt,
yang terdekat. Ya, syok lah.
okay, Batista group, you have an incorrect sentence.
Kenapa ada living room?
You use the squirrel is very good and beautiful. You should have used squirrel words. Very good. Okay. Okay, next thing. Thing one. Okay.
Dia abang dia masuk di sini, dia pergi melawat tempat yang pelik. Dah sini pun tak bangun dia tu. Apa dia bilang? Mesti yang pelik.
Okay, see.
Tinggal
Kan betul.
This one.
Pergi.
I brought things to set the house. Find tools that can help me open the box. I used a hydraulic method, and when I finally opened it, I found lots of stuff that I lost from the past, such as my hand.
Okay. Alright, thank you. I tried. Okay, try. Wow. Okay, good job for team 1. You found past tense. Okay, now I want team 8. Joshua's team.
Kita tim nomor 2.
No? Okay. Team 4. Your team, Anas.
Kami 3.
Ayula.
Belum.
4.
Terlampau sekejap. Kami dah sempat buat.
Okay, just do it. Okay, I need team 3. 3 and 4. I need team 6. Okay, team 6. Everyone just listen. Okay. Last weekend.
Walk around the
Okay,
house.
wait. My friend and I went. Okay. Okay, on and on. Okay. When we on the way. When we on our way.
We walk.
Okay. Proceed. Walk. Okay. The monkey stared at banana. Stared. Okay. Okay. You like monkey, huh?
We walk around the house.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now I want team 7. Okay, it's okay. I want the last team. Okay, I want the last team. So the last team, whether you've done it or not. Okay, I see 1 8. Okay, 8. Please. It's okay. It's okay. I know because you want too many people, right? That's why I told you only 4 to 5.
Walk around the house.
You didn't listen.
Okay. Have anything that
I want other other than Joshua.
belum lagi habis baru sih itu dia anak-anak
Faster.
put itu saya punya saya pada biar nampak
Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Oh, team 7.
baca tuh dia bilang baca deh
8. I even think you did it. Okay. Everyone please pay attention. The last group.
Yesterday, while I was waiting for the bus at school, there was a commotion in the bus stop.
Okay.
So I went in the commotion to go see what happened.
What I got.
A student was ran over by a car.
What I get. Okay.
He was unconscious and bleeding. Passerby saw what happened and helped by calling an ambulance. Luckily, while on the way to hospital, he survived. His friends visited him while he was recovering. Everyone was happy and smiled when they got news that he recovered.
Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, before I dismiss our class, I want to ask you, what have you learned today? Okay, past tense. So, if I talk about regular verb, what you must have in the verb? ED and okay. So how about if the verb have consonant with an Y? IED. Okay. Okay, this group, how about irregular verb? Do we need to add ED?
No.
So,
We just memorize.
okay, it is completely changed. Alright? Okay, can someone tell me the formula of past simple sentence structure?
Subject plus verb.
Okay, subject plus past verb plus.
Object.
Okay, so thank you everyone. You've done a good job today.
Mau balik-balik.